A sanctuary of tranquility nestled in the heart of Indonesia. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine the soft whispers of the ocean waves caressing the golden shores of Kuta Beach. Feel the gentle breeze, laden with the perfume of frangipani flowers as it dances through the air. Now picture yourself wandering through terraced rice paddies in Ubud. The vibrant green fields stretch out before you, a patchwork quilt of nature's finest artistry. Hear the soothing trickle of water as it cascades down ancient stone steps, nourishing the land and your soul. Move deeper into the island where the sacred monkey forest awaits. Here, amidst the dense foliage and towering trees, the chatter of playful monkeys echoes like a symphony of the wild. Feel the grounding energy of the ancient temples, their stone carvings whispering tales of a time long past. As you continue your journey, find yourself atop Mount Batur at dawn. The sky slowly transforms from the inky darkness of night to a breathtaking canvas of pinks and oranges. The first rays of sunlight illuminate the landscape, casting a golden glow over the volcanic terrain. Breathe in the crisp, cool air and feel a profound sense of peace and connection with the earth. Finally, let your mind drift to the tranquil waters of Lake Bratan. The serene surface reflects the majestic Ulun Danu Beratan temple, a floating sanctuary devoted to the water goddess. The stillness of the lake mirrors the calm within you, a perfect harmony between nature and spirit. As you gently return to the present moment, carry with you the essence of Bali's natural beauty and serenity. Let this brief escape serve as a reminder that peace is always within reach, no matter where you are. Open your eyes and take this tranquility with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, be well.